I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You're starting by ending the private session, so Chrome stops using Incognito. Open Chrome, tap the tabs icon, then choose the Incognito group at the top. Once there, swipe each Incognito tab left and tap Close, or use Close All to remove every private tab in one go. Doing this clears temporary session data and prevents sites from staying private on your device. Make sure you've saved any data you need before closing, because these tabs won't retain history or form entries. Once you've closed Incognito tabs, switch back to the regular tab group by tapping the tabs icon and selecting the non-Incognito label. Open a normal tab and confirm that the address bar and toolbar no longer show the Incognito mask. If you want browsing history saved, sign into your Google account. Chrome will sync and resume normal history and autofill behavior. Make sure cookies and site data are enabled in Chrome settings if you rely on saved logins or preferences to function properly. To prevent Incognito reuse, use iOS screen time restrictions because Chrome has no built-in toggle to disable private mode. Go to Settings, Screen Time Content and Privacy Restrictions, enable restrictions, then either disable the Chrome app under Allowed Apps or limit web content and require a screen time passcode. For parental or organizational control, enroll the iPhone in a mobile device management system to enforce policies centrally. If this feels complex, update iOS and Chrome first, and keep
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.